strong winds are officially here.
If it's this windy down here, it'll be even stronger up in the hills. I hope our moms are okay.
Please get off the roads and indoors as soon as possible.
Whoa, that branch almost hit her.
I'm really good at spotting falling branches. Maybe we should go up there and look out for them while the Firebuds fix Mom's tire. What do you say, June?
I say we better hurry.
There's the billboard. We're close.
I think I see Vanessa's tire tracks. There they are. Hang on. Axel and Violet will head in to change your tire.
Wait, it's not safe with all those branches falling everywhere.
And that tree isn't looking too sturdy either.
I might be able to hold the tree up with my J-hook. There. Now the cable will keep the tree from falling. Nice work, Jaden.
We're coming, Mom.
June, Vance, what are you doing up here? It's too dangerous.